3-2 today?
Yeah, I think the winds are calm, right?
Yeah.
And everyone's been operating on that, and the SOC is pointing that direction,
Yep.
so I like it.
Steamboat traffic, Cirrus 281 Bravo Kilo, back taxi runway 32, Steamboat.
Have a good lifestyle flight home, you guys.
Thank you, Mike.
Alright, I got cameras, lights, and looks like we're ready to go.
Steamboat traffic, Cirrus 281 Bravo Kilo, departing runway 32, left downwind departure to the south. Steamboat.
Alright, power set.
Steamboat area traffic, Skylane 7429 November is 3.5
There's a line.
to the west. We entering a left downwind for runway 32, Steamboat.
Steamboat traffic, 281 Bravo Kilo is on the go, taking off, 3-2, Steamboat traffic.
There's 90 flaps up.
Full method?
Nope, but those guys are good friends of ours.
We'll just, you seem like them. You should work for them.
Thanks.
Caps alive. What are we up to today? Maybe like, try 12.5 and see what we get?
Yeah, let's try 12.5. I think that'll get us over Red Table and Eagle.
And Steamboat area traffic, Skylane 7429 November is in left downwind for runway 32, Steamboat.
So this is flying in the Rockies at its best. It's September 21st. The aspens are just gold and yellow, and some of the scrub oak is red, and just stunning. World's largest living organism.
That's so cool.
That's beautiful.
That's one of the better hills I've seen around.
Yeah, for sure. That's an amazing stretch,
Yeah.
isn't it?
That's
It
unbelievable.
just doesn't even end. It just goes and goes and goes and goes.
Yeah, I guess look at all this.
Okay, so here we are. We're coming into Leadville, and we're flying north to south. We were using the TAWs to take a look at the terrain to make sure we had 2,000 feet of AGL on the way into Leadville. The winds today are out of the south, so we're going to go with runway 16. We've looked at our performance criteria for the aircraft, and we've got a good feel for what our landing roll is going to be, as well as our takeoff roll. And we've set up our visual approach, so the G6 can actually couple a visual approach, and that's what we've done. So we've got the visual approach all dialed in, and it's set up, and the aircraft is going to come in. It's a really nice technique for getting set up for a straight in to a runway that you've never been to before, because it puts you on just the perfect glide path.
Good morning, helicopter 911 uniform hotel.
Alright, working off that speed. I always like to point out to people when you're flying, you know, your normal rest speed, to look at your ground speed and your true airspeed. They always get blown away by that and say, look, look down at the ground, you're actually moving a lot faster than usual.
Yep, so the winds do jive. Looks like the winds are out of the south.
Yep.
Right now they're looking at about 137, coming in to land on 16, so looking good.
Flaps out.
And what's so cool about this visual approach is I can see the VASI out there, and we've got one white, one red, and we just know we're just perfectly dialed in, and we can verify that, of course, with the synthetic vision on the PFD.
Yeah, there it goes. Finally caught the glide slope there. It took a second. The glide path, I should say.
All right, airspeed's looking good. Again, one of the neat features of the G6 is we have a VREF donut that Colin so skillfully arched, like
altitude.
Climbing that thing up there to the indicated airspeed, so we know the precise airspeed we want to land at here.
Oh well, I'm just gonna add some power correct for that.
Looking good.
Oh, come on. There's a little floater in there.
And I would say that landing roll was almost exactly what we calculated.
They're about halfway down the runway, maybe, by the time we slow down here.
Welcome to Leadville.
All right.
Leadville traffic, Cirrus 281 Bravo Kilo will be back taxi on 16 and we'll be off in just a minute here, Leadville traffic.